Well, mortgage interest rates have been falling and falling and falling. And here to help us make sense of it all is Dan Moran, Executive Vice President of Sales for Proper Rate. Dan, welcome to At the Market.
Peter, thanks for having me. Good to be here.
You bet. Well, maybe just give us a general overview of the mortgage market at the start of 2021. What's happening? Sure.
I mean, just as you said, falling. I love that intro piece because rates really have been doing that, right? We're seeing historic lows. We didn't know where the end was going to stop, and we've kind of hit that soft spot, if you will, of just a tad under 3%, where we're ranging between 2.625, to 2.875 on 30-year fixed range for conventional conforming loans. Great spot to be in from a mortgage rate perspective. Certainly the impact for borrowers, both consumers who are purchasing homes as well as people who are refinancing their properties. Cash is good in terms of being cheap and certainly putting money into their pocket in that perspective. We look at 2021 as a whole and think that mortgage rates are still going to remain relatively low.
I know last year we dealt with some capacity issues, approvals as a result of situations that buyers encountered because of the pandemic. So what do you think is out there for borrowers in 2021 that could possibly be considered a challenge?
Yeah, thanks, Peter. I mean, I think there still are challenges out there as it relates to capacity. In the rate environment we are in, there's still kind of full pots, if you will, in terms of overall mortgage volume, right? So I think from a consumer's perspective, I'd certainly encourage those people who are getting their mortgage financing to ask the questions from an expectation standpoint, understand how long the loan process should take. We've seen cycles where you can get the loan approval done in anywhere between 2 weeks to 3 weeks. And I think in current environment, we're typically seeing, especially the purchase closings, taking 30 days minimum, right? And a lot of that comes to, again, as you described, Peter, capacity. Some of those areas of capacity that we can't control, appraisal certainly is a big piece, right? So people still need typically appraisals for the homes, and that still is something that people should be prepared for from an expectation of delays.
Dan, thanks for joining us. Bottom line, if you are looking to purchase a home or refinance a home in 2021, go to properrate.com, talk to a proper rate loan officer, do it early so you get a head start, and you'll find some very attractive rates out there in 2021. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Peter. Appreciate it.